we have arrived at my parents' place. Kids have been counting down the kilometres. Gonna surprise them here. We have arrived!
Oh. You're not supposed to be here as well. I was just getting Joe's iPad to check Google Maps.
Oh geez, what are you wearing? Alright, we've unpacked the van, settled into Mum and Dad's. Jude's already jumped in the pool. How is it, Jude? What's the temp? What temp is it? 26 degrees and fine.
Whoa.
Oh, we've just grabbed the rod. We just grabbed the rod out of the car because Dad's got a lot of brim at his pontoon, and at least one's at about 30 to 40 centimetres. So we've got the bread. We're going to see how we go. See if we can't get them back up. Looks like the tide's going out. We've got the swans. Ha ha, swans, you lost. Go cats. Can't see any at the minute. Alright, we'll see if we can get some footage of these brim. Are they there on that side, are they?
Yeah.
None of... I haven't seen that bit. Oh yeah, here they go. Look at them. Oh, the swans come over. Hey guys. Yeah. Noah's on. He's got one straight away. Alright, reel it in. Has it stopped? What's the swivel? Oh, not a bad size.
The fat boy.
Oh, you're kidding. Straight away.
As soon as it hit the water.
I've been here for 9 months. It's only about 20 odd centimetres. Alright, we just dropped the crab pots off. Just a couple. And just heading back to Dad's now. Reinforcing the wall there. Oh, we just dropped the crab pots off with the fresh mullet we caught off the pontoon. So hopefully we just get something. And we need to get some fuel, otherwise we'd have tried somewhere else. But we'll see how we go. Crab pots are in. Wish us luck. Morning from Paradise Point. We're about to jump on the tinny. We're ready to go here. We're about to jump on.
Where's the tongue?
Go check the crab pots.
Where's the tongue?
Fingers crossed we get our first legal crab here. Well, from our entire trip, or at least in Queensland as well. They're just over there. Short ride. Have the fingers crossed for us. Hopefully we get a crab. Alright, just check the crab pots. And big fat zeros. We're still a couple of weeks early. Just fixed that one up. A bit of weed in there. Oh, we're going to maybe move these around the corner. We'll see how we go. Alright, we'll put them around the corner. A bit of a cloudy day today. Hopefully weather's good for Friday. We'll get out. Hopefully get some pelagics. Alright, let's drop these pots. And we'll check them maybe later this afternoon. Oh, we've just come back in from checking the crab pots. And we've got another friendly visitor here in the canal. Just trying to... Alright, let's just have a look. They're going to round up. Oh, there you go. Just in front of the boat there. Just got a nice dolphin. There it is. Just cruising through. Geez, what a couple of days. Turtles, dolphins, plenty of mullet, ludric, brim. We just put the tinny on the on the deck, just so we can cast the net around the pontoon. Oh, I checked those crab pots. Sadly, we're still a couple of weeks too early, but we did get the BP 100 bait pump, super size. Got it in order, and we've got a few saltwater yabbies. You can see. Have a look at those bad boys. So we've got a few, so we might put a couple on, see if we can get a nice brim off the pontoon. Otherwise, we'll keep, the crab pots are still out there. Hopefully we can see if we can get one overnight. We'll check them in the morning, see how we go. All right, Tinny's up on the pontoon. Tinny's up. The weather's cleared. All right, time for organised dinner. See if we can get some live bait and use the yabbies. Right, we're checking these crab pots. No luck with the first one. We've got the second one coming in now. We just want to see one bit of mud. Hopefully it's a bit of mud crab. Oh, we can't see colour yet. Pull faster. Oh, not looking good. Oh, look at the mud in that. Oh, no crabs. As I said the other day or yesterday, we're still a bit early for the crabs. So we'll give it another shot. We'll give it a week or two. Maybe a week. We'll drop the pot, see if there's any around, and then we'll wait another week if we don't get anything next week. Hopefully the mahi-mahi are biting on Friday when we get out onto the big deep blue. But for now, let's get out of the wind. Back to the pontoon. Oh, we're gonna get this bait. They're the mullet from the pontoon. Not really touched at all by anything, to be honest. Just little fish having a little taste. That's about it.
Even some small baby crabs.
Small baby crabs. Oh, let's go! Woo! Well, that's Paradise Point. Bit of jet ski action today. How was that, Noah? Bit rough around the corner. Alright, we're gonna just go over. We found looks to be a nice hole here. We might have a fish here a bit later on. Alright, catch you guys later. Morning from Paradise Point. Top Cat 2. We're about to board. It's the only good day of the week, being a Friday. 10 to 15 knots. Seas 1.5 swell. You can hear it pumping out there, but we'll give it a go. We're going to try and see if we can get some dollies at the FAD. FAD 13, so it's a 30k trip out, or 25, and 10 to get to the Seaway. Alright, you can see it's a nice calm morning, so hopefully it's not working too hard out there. Alright, finish the coffee and let's get out there. Hopefully get these boys a dolly. First dolly.
Yep.
Of their lifetime.
Yep.